Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
Hi everyone, I'm David, Beauty Director as well.
And I am so excited about this video.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Yeah, this is going to be definitely one to watch. Now, we're here to talk to you all about wellness.
Wellness.
Now, this category has exploded at Sephora. People are living for an all-inclusive lifestyle products, right?
Yes.
How are you starting beauty from the inside out?
Yes. I mean, for me, I think that this is, while considered a new category, I think it's actually an old concept.
For
I mean,
sure.
think about you are what you eat, right? It shows on the inside what you put in, shows on the outside what you put inside.
Exactly.
The concept of if you drink a lot of water, if you sleep well, you're going to look better, right?
Exactly.
It's just a natural progression for us to say that beauty, when you take care of yourself on the inside, will showcase everything on the outside so well.
Absolutely.
Evident.
So in this video, we're going to go category by category based off of concern and recommend products for each skin concern out there. So these are going to be products that I think would be really easy to fit into your lifestyle and just kind of help you overall start, again, addressing the concern from the inside out.
And help you navigate this category, which if you don't know a lot about what some of these ingredients and what some of these products can do, we're going to bucket them down for you just so that you can have a little bit more guidance when you're in Sephora and you're choosing a great wellness product for you.
Okay, so the first product I'm so excited to share with you all. Like, honestly, I've been taking this product for about 5 months now.
Yes, you have.
And I can honestly say that it's completely changed my life. Like, honestly.
Yes, it's changed my life too. Because he's on it.
Hush your mouth! How dare you? Well, it's actually in tune for the first category. The first concern is all about stress. And for stress, we have from Moon Juice SUPERYOU Daily Stress Management Supplement. Now, again, I've been taking this for about 5 months now, and I can honestly tell you that it's overall just increased my state of zen. It's really helped me to find clarity in a lot of spaces. And, you know, it's really just helped my overall lifestyle and my
just
state
like
of being.
chill out. I've definitely noticed in you a more calmer, centered self.
Yeah, and what's crazy is I can
Thanks,
tell...
Moon Juice.
And what's crazy...
Thanks.
Wow. And what's crazy is that I can actually tell when I don't take it.
Yes.
So, like, it really does help to just overall balance that state of zen, right? Now, inside, you've got amazing powerhouse ingredients. You've got amla, so you've got really great kind of skincare ingredients in there. It's also got ashwagandha and shatavari mushroom in there, which are really great for normalizing the body's cortisol levels. So it really helps you to kind of lower that hormone that causes stress. Exactly. It's really easy to use. All you have to do is take 2 pills. I take them every morning, and you don't have to take it with food. I take it on an empty stomach, to be quite honest with you.
Great.
And another thing to look out for is it is selling out in stores. So if you're curious about it, I would swing by and check it out because we are blowing through this product.
People are really enjoying it.
Yes, it's definitely a hit on the streets. So check it out if you haven't already.
So up next, we're going to be going over a category that's more for gut support and like glowing skin. So really that sort of connection between your gut and your skin. So first up, we have from Hum Nutrition. This is the Skin Heroes Pre and Probiotics. Me personally, I've been using probiotics for decades.
That's what I was going to say, actually. So we've been traveling together for probably over 6 years now, and we've roomed together several times. And I remember every morning, like you waking up, pulling something out of the fridge and taking it. And I was like, what are you doing?
My little pill, my secret stash of pill.
Exactly. So, I mean, you've been on the wellness train for a while now, but this category in particular.
And here's the thing. We've got so much research now in the power of the gut microbiome. That is a fancy word for that great cluster of bacteria that's good for you, lives in your gut, supports all the functions of your body. This particular product contains 40 billion organisms. It is curated from over 9 strains that are particularly good for not only your gut biome, but also supporting the function of the skin. We know that there's a lot of bacteria in there and they all have effects throughout the body. And we've been able to see certain ones that have a great effect on the skin because they work within a holistic approach to the whole body. This particular curation of pre and probiotics does that. It not only helps your gut, gut, but it also helps your gut help your skin.
Right.
Creating that firmer appearance, helping with youthful looking skin, glowing skin. And it really is evident in that sort of take it in and let it glow without.
Balance the belly and you'll balance the skin.
100%. So big advocate of this. Only requires 2 pills a day, and you'll definitely be seeing some fantastic results from this. And I highly recommend everyone have a probiotic in their daily.
For sure. I've incorporated, because of you and because of this whole movement, I've definitely started incorporating it into my everyday routine, and I've definitely noticed a difference there as well.
Big difference.
Sure. Okay, so next up from Beauty Chef, we have the Glow Inner Beauty Powder. This is going to be a biofermented, nutrient-dense. And when I say nutrient-dense, I mean there's so many actives in here. You've got Queen Garnet Plum. You've actually got turmeric, which is going to be really great antioxidant and really boost glow, which is amazing. Then you've also got Dunaliella Selena in here,
which is 5 times fast.
Right? Which is a fun. I think we can get really sciencey with this video, which is kind of fun.
I enjoy it.
But which is really dense in pro vitamin A. So you're going to get that nice like skin cell renewal from the inside out, right?
I mean, vitamin A is sort of the beauty vitamin.
Now, this one's really easy to use and tastes amazing. You're just going to take 1 teaspoon and mix it into a glass of water. So I'm literally just going to try that here. I'm going to have this for the rest of the video.
Ooh.
Yeah, it smells really good too.
It does. I can actually smell it from here.
Yeah, there's a lot of berries in here, like maki, which is really great, again, for antioxidants.
That dissolves really quickly.
Yes, it did.
That is nice. I mean, I will say I love, it's probably a silly thing, but I pay attention to the speed in which a powder dissolves into water, because I don't have a lot of time. That was really nice. That was very quick.
Now, it is important to kind of, as you're drinking it, continue to mix it and stir it so that you're getting even throughout, but I'm ready to try it.
Try it out. Oh my God, your skin's glowing already.
Magic elixirs, tonics, and potions.
Instant. I love a tonic and a potion. I really do.
It definitely tastes delicious. It's a really light berry flavor. You can definitely taste
smell it,
all of it. Yeah, it's super easy to use, and I think a lot of people will really love this formula.
Yeah, I can really smell it. It smells quite, is there like a grapey flavor in there? There's something I can smell it. It's quite tasty smelling. Okay, so the next sort of bucket category we're going into is hair, skin, and nails. So sort of an overall approach to making all those aspects of our beauty look better. So what we have now is from Vital Proteins, and this is the Collagen Beauty Glow Tropical Hibiscus. So that's the flavor, basically.
Shout out to Vital Proteins.
Yes, they're fantastic. Yeah, they've been on this game for a while.
Yes, for sure.
And this is a great marine collagen peptide-based formula. It's a powder. It also has hyaluronic acid in it. It's got vitamin C in it, biotin, as well as probiotics. So when you think about those ingredients, you really are thinking about, like, we know biotin is great for hair, skin, nails. We've known this for a long time. You know, we've got something like vitamin C. When you put that internally, as well as, you know, we know a good vitamin C cream is great for the skin. Vitamin C boosting daily, your vitamin C intake, makes your hair, skin, and nails better, function better, right? It can really help them grow better, look better, shine, glowing, dewy, all that fantastic stuff, as well as hyaluronic acid, which we know is a great hydrator. It works internally just as well as it does externally, right? So this is a great sort of all over, just look fantastic powder, really easy to use. I like to use this actually with a hot beverage.
A hot beverage.
I'm a big fan of an herbal tea. You know,
you do. He has tea every night before he goes to bed.
I drink about 3 glasses of herbal tea a day.
Okay.
So this is actually a green tea. So this is my support for a little caffeine in my life. Not that I really need it, but so you get a scooper in here, which is really helpful. And you're just gonna do 2 scoops of this into whatever you want. I like it because it's got this tropical flavor to mix it with like a green tea or something like that. Because it's really flavorful that way, And it really does mix pretty fast. I will say a lot of these nowadays do mix and dissolve very fast.
Yeah.
It's not like a powder where it kind of sits there and gets clunky and chunky. They really do mix up. I love that sound. I love that sound. Reminds me when I was a kid mixing up milk and all that good stuff. So yeah, so delish. So good.
Yeah.
So good. The hibiscus flavor works really well with like a green tea. It just adds like a nice flavor to it. And then you're getting all that great benefit in there. So all that fantastic skin nutrients, hair nutrients, nail nutrients. So this is a great way. Collagen ingested has been shown to really help the appearance of all that skin, hair, and nails.
Yeah, anytime I've asked people like, what do you do? Like if you do anything wellness wise, I hear that a lot. It's probably the most frequently talked about. Now the next one, I would definitely encourage you to take some time out of your life to really envelop yourself into this product.
I want to get into that.
Yes, me too.
Well, we both were like, I need to get one of these.
Yes, for sure. This is something that I haven't necessarily done a lot myself, but I've seen a lot of people really getting into.
Yes.
Now, this is from Herbivore, and this is the JADE facial roller. Now, facial rolling has actually been around since the 7th century.
Yeah.
It's an ancient Chinese technique that was really designed to kind of give the skin a really nice boost to firmness and elasticity and glow. So anytime you're like, you can think about it with the body. Anytime you get a massage, your body just overall feels so much better. Why neglect the face, right? So you've got two sides here. This one is actually a jade roller.
Yes.
So jade is really great energetically. It's really healing and kind of soothing to the body and to the mind.
Yes.
Now you've got a large size and a small size. It's really easy to use, but most of the time you want to start in the center of the face and kind of work your way out.
Yes.
Okay. So take the larger plane and kind of start towards the center of the nose and sort of pull outwards. This is going to be a moment where you really want to take some time to yourself. So maybe you put on some music or you kind of light a candle, find your Zen moment, and really take the time to kind of put energy, like we've said before, put energy back into yourself. And you will see the benefits on the skin for sure.
But you know what's funny is I recently saw a girl using this roller and she worked at like a coffee shop and she was just doing it. And I was like, I need to get one of these. And
while at work, like at the coffee shop.
She was just like doing her thing.
I love it.
And I was like, this is, it literally triggered me. And I was like, I need to get one of these. Like, I have no reason that I cannot do this. All the time that I'm sitting on a subway or I'm sitting waiting for a plane or I'm on the plane.
Wow, you're just going to whip it out and handle it.
I will handle business.
I'm like, here, let me light some candles and like have a full-on spa moment. And you're like doing it
like
on the
up
L
in
train.
A plane. Like,
I love it. I love it.
The difference between the two of us,
hilarious.
I love it.
Hilarious.
Yes.
So then you've also got a smaller side, which you can use for tighter areas, kind of like here around the eye. I love it around the top of the lip and right here in this little dimple in the chin. Feels so great. And then also, you know, what's really great is that it's super cooling at the same time.
The stones stay so cold. I love that.
So for added benefit, you can store this baby in the fridge and you're gonna have an instant like depuffing. It's gonna be really sensorially amazing, especially in the summer.
I would say definitely because even without that being in the refrigerator, when I first tried it, I was like, wow, this feels like it was cold. Like it felt like it was iced.
Yeah.
It was a really nice feeling.
Now, if you're curious about, you know, different massages and different techniques, shout it out in the comment section below. Maybe we can do a full video to kind of show you some really great facial massaging techniques.
Techniques and movements.
Yeah, for sure. But definitely get into rolling. I definitely think it's going to be kind of like, well, it already is.
And I think, again, it goes back to that whole idea that wellness as a category may seem new to a lot of you, but it's actually really
what's old is new again.
Yeah, it's really talking about concepts that have been tried and true for sometimes thousands, if not hundreds of years. You know what I'm saying? Like, people have been doing this for good reason. Okay, so the final category we're doing is basically energy and focus. So aside from just some beauty elements that you're going to get from taking an internal thing like this, you're also going to get some energy and focus.
Right, because if your body is like functioning at its peak, then naturally you're going to be
a little
have
bit better
clarity.
functioning.
Yeah.
So the product we're going to be talking about is WelleCo, and this is their Super Elixir. So this is a daily dietary supplement. It's a powder form, and it was created by nutritional doctors, basically curating 45 plant-derived ingredients to work with and assist the 11 systems of the body. So that sounds like a lot of science, but basically your body has 11 systems that make it run optimally. So things like your nervous system, your lymphatic system, your endocrine system, there's a lot of those systems. You probably know about them, but they all together make you run well.
Okay.
You know, so obviously if your systems are working properly, you're going to see a appearance of healthier glowing skin,
right?
Dewy complexion,
right?
Reduced signs of aging, 100%.
Because you have all the nutrients that you need.
100%.
It's like a superfood for super you.
A great way to say. That's a great little tagline. They should steal that from you. Yeah, and exactly what you were saying before, which is if your systems are running well, you're gonna have more energy. You're gonna be able to focus more. So that was one of the things that we thought was sort of interesting and unique about this. Now, this is a daily dietary supplement, and it's pretty easy to use as well. It is a powder form.
Okay.
So I find that something like this is great with like your favorite juice. You know, your favorite green juice. Add it in, get a little bit of bonus. You only need 2 teaspoons of this. I would say you can heap them in. I mean, this is not
exact science.
Yeah, exactly. We're not baking here. You know, this is like just get the good stuff in. So we're doing 2 teaspoons and we're just mixing it right in.
That looks so good.
It does. I personally am always attracted to a green juice because I just feel like by the color of it being green, I'm being really healthy.
Exactly.
I'm being really healthy right now.
Exactly.
This is green and I'm
green
drinking
is
it.
good.
But the flavor on this is actually quite good. Oh, see, I can easily do this every day.
Yeah.
Easily every day.
Now, can you distinctly taste the difference from the with the mix in?
I don't know. It tastes really good though. But I like a green juice. I'm a fan of a green juice. So I think the thing with green juices are you have the flavor to them already. So you're kind of adding in that really nice plant-derived ingredient.
Right.
There's not a tremendous amount of flavor to this, but it blends really nice with anything. I think you could even just do it with water if you wanted to.
Cool.
It's not like one of those things where it's going to be like, oh, no, not with water. I just like the idea of mixing it with a green juice. I think it's a great way to supplement your juice intake. Okay, so that's delicious. Oh, by the way, this also does come in a glass that is like a dark glass for UV purposes. Yeah. So this protects the potent ingredients from UV sort of breakdown.
And then the brand sells refills that you can actually take from the packet and put right in.
And just put right in, which is great. So that's it. Those are all some fantastic wellness products. I hope you guys enjoy this new category as much as we do. I think we're loving this, actually.
Yeah, I hope you're actually taking time to explore like total body health and just how that affects beauty in general. So, I mean, that's mind, body, soul, everything. Yeah. It all really manifests itself in your actual beauty. If you feel well on the inside, you'll look well on the outside.
I agree. And I think it's a natural progression for the beauty movement that we've been seeing, that we went from, you know, strictly looking at makeup to now everyone's really understanding the power of skincare and how skincare makes your makeup look better. And I think now we're taking it the next step. What you internally take into your system is actually going to make your skin look better, make your makeup look better, make you feel better, look better. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Let us know if you've tried any of these products, if you're using any wellness routines in your daily activities that you love and you want to share with us, because we love to hear that.
Yes, I want to know all your inner beauty secrets. For sure. And if you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe to the channel and definitely hit the notification button. That way you can get alerts when we launch new videos, for sure.
See those new videos coming from us every week.
Yes, for sure. And we love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with us here on the channel, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Ciao.